The International Space Station is a marvel of engineering. It represents the pinnacle of human collaboration and ingenuity, a testament to what we can achieve when nations come together for a common goal. It has been our home in space for over 2 decades. During this time it has hosted countless experiments, provided invaluable data, and served as a stepping stone for future space exploration. But all good things must come to an end. The ISS, despite its robust design and numerous upgrades, is showing signs of aging. The ISS is nearing the end of its life. Its components are wearing out, and maintaining it is becoming increasingly challenging and costly. It will retire in 2030. We need a replacement. A new space station is essential to continue the legacy of the ISS and to push the boundaries of our knowledge even further. We need a new space station to continue our research. This new station will be more advanced, more efficient, and better equipped to handle the challenges of modern space exploration. We need to keep exploring the cosmos. The universe is vast and full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. A new space station will serve as our gateway to these discoveries. We need a place to test technologies for deep space missions. From advanced life support systems to new propulsion methods, the new station will be a testing ground for the technologies that will take us to Mars and beyond. Without a space station, our access to space will be limited. We will lose a critical platform for training astronauts, conducting experiments, and preparing for future missions. We will lose a valuable platform for scientific discovery. The ISS has been instrumental in numerous breakthroughs, and without a new station, we risk halting this progress. We will fall behind in the new space race. Other nations are already planning their own space stations, and if we don't act now, we risk being left behind. The time to act is now. We must invest in the future of space exploration and ensure that we remain at the forefront of this new frontier. We need to build the next generation of space stations. These stations will be more than just laboratories, they will be hubs of innovation, collaboration, and discovery. We need to ensure that humanity's journey into space continues. The future of space exploration depends on our ability to adapt, innovate, and push the boundaries of what is possible. The race to build the next space station is on. This is not just a competition of technology, but a battle for the future of space exploration. The stakes have never been higher, and the world is watching closely. Several countries and companies are vying for this prize. From established space agencies to ambitious private enterprises, everyone wants a piece of the final frontier. The competition is fierce, and the rewards are immense. China has launched its own space station, Tiangong. This ambitious project marks a significant milestone in their space program, showcasing their growing capabilities and determination to become a major player in space. They plan to expand it in the coming years. With new modules and advanced technology, Tiangong is set to become a hub for scientific research and international collaboration. Russia, a longtime partner in the ISS, has announced plans to withdraw. This decision marks a new chapter in their space endeavors, as they aim to establish their own independent space station. They intend to build their own space station. The competition is fierce. The stakes are high. Russia's move signals a shift in the balance of power in space exploration. The United States cannot afford to fall behind. With NASA leading the charge, America is determined to maintain its leadership in space. The pressure is on to innovate and collaborate with private companies. We need to support private companies like Axiom Space. These pioneers are pushing the boundaries of what is possible, bringing new ideas and technologies to the table. They are leading the charge in building the next space station. Axiom Space's vision includes not just a station, but a thriving ecosystem in orbit, fostering innovation and international cooperation. This is not just about national pride, it's about advancing human knowledge, exploring new frontiers, and ensuring our survival as a species. The next space station will be a beacon of hope and progress. It is about the future of humanity. The decisions we make today will shape the world of tomorrow, and the nation that leads in space will have a profound influence on our destiny. The nation that leads in space will shape the destiny of humankind. As we look to the stars, we must remember that our greatest achievements are yet to come. The future of space exploration is bright, and the journey has only just begun. Axiom Space is a private company with a bold vision. They plan to build the first commercial space station. Their station will be a hub for research, manufacturing, and tourism. Imagine a world where anyone can go to space. A world where we conduct cutting-edge research in microgravity. A world where we manufacture new materials and products. Axiom Space Station will be a game-changer. It will open up space to new possibilities. It will democratize access to the cosmos. This is not just a dream, Axiom has a plan. They have partnered with NASA and SpaceX. They have started building the first modules of their station. A change of plans, adapting to the challenges of space. Axiom's original plan was to attach their modules to the ISS. However, they realized that this approach had limitations. They decided to make a strategic change. They are now building a free-flying station. This will allow for greater flexibility and growth. It will also extend the lifespan of the station. The first module, called the Power, Propulsion and Thermal Management, or PPTM module, is critical. It will provide power, propulsion and life support. This change in plans was a bold move. It demonstrates Axiom's adaptability and commitment to their vision. Progress report, where Axiom stands today. Axiom is making significant progress. The PPTM module is nearing completion. It is scheduled to launch in 2025. The first habitable module, called HAB-1, is also under construction. It will provide living and working space for astronauts. Axiom plans to launch additional modules in the coming years. These modules will expand the capabilities of the station. They will add laboratories, observatories, and even a space hotel. The future is looking bright for Axiom. They are on track to have a fully operational space station by the end of the decade. SpaceX and Axiom, a powerful partnership. Axiom has partnered with SpaceX, another private space company. SpaceX is known for its Falcon 9 and Starship rockets. They are providing transportation to and from the Axiom station. SpaceX's Crew Dragon spacecraft will ferry astronauts to the station. Their Cargo Dragon will transport supplies and equipment. This partnership is a match made in heaven. Axiom provides the vision and the station. SpaceX provides the transportation. Together they are making space accessible and affordable. They are revolutionizing space exploration. Challenges and opportunities, the road ahead. Axiom faces many challenges. As we look to the future, the path ahead is filled with both obstacles and incredible potential. The journey to build a space station is not just a technical endeavor, but a monumental human achievement. Building a space station is a complex and expensive undertaking. It requires meticulous planning, cutting-edge technology, and a dedicated team of experts. Every component must be crafted with precision, and every system must be tested rigorously to ensure it can withstand the harsh environment of space. They need to raise billions of dollars in funding. Securing financial backing is one of the most significant challenges. Investors must be convinced of the project's viability and long-term profitability. This involves detailed financial projections, risk assessments, and a compelling vision of the future. They also need to overcome technical hurdles. The technology required for a space station is at the forefront of human innovation. Engineers and scientists work tirelessly to solve problems that have never been encountered before, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. They need to ensure the safety of their astronauts. Training programs are rigorous and safety protocols are continually updated. The well-being of the crew is paramount, and every precaution is taken to protect them from the dangers of space travel. They need to create a sustainable business model. This involves not only the initial construction and launch, but also the long-term operation and maintenance of the space station. Economists and business strategists work together to develop plans that ensure financial sustainability. Despite the challenges, the opportunities are immense. The potential for scientific research, commercial ventures, and international collaboration is vast. The space station will serve as a hub for innovation and discovery, opening new frontiers for humanity. Axiom is creating a new industry in space. By developing the first commercial space station, they are paving the way for a new era of space exploration and utilization. This endeavor will create jobs, inspire technological advancements, and foster international cooperation. They are inspiring the next generation of explorers. Educational programs and outreach initiatives are designed to ignite the curiosity and passion of young minds. By engaging with students and the public, Axiom is building a foundation for future space pioneers. The Axiom Space Station is more than just a building in space. It represents a vision of the future where humans live and work in space, conducting research, manufacturing products, and exploring the cosmos. It is a stepping stone to even greater achievements. It is a symbol of human ingenuity and our desire to explore the universe. The space station embodies the spirit of exploration and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It stands as a testament to what we can achieve when we dare to dream big. It is a testament to the power of private enterprise and international collaboration. The success of the Axiom Space Station relies on partnerships with governments, space agencies, and private companies around the world. Together, they are pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The future of space exploration is bright. With continued innovation and collaboration, we are on the brink of a new era in space. The possibilities are endless, and the impact on humanity will be profound. And Axiom Space is leading the way. They are not just building a space station, they are building the future. Their vision and determination are setting the stage for the next giant leap for mankind.